Hey guys, what's up? I am back. I just want to thank you for checking out my video again today. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We are going to do this every week. Just taking a look at some of the cars that we have opened over the last couple of weeks. So we got some M2s and some Maisto and some Greenlight, mostly Hot Wheels, premiums of course. And we've done a few racing champions, some mystery models from Hot Wheels. We've taken a look at a whole bunch of things. So, without further ado, let's get on with today's video. Today, I wanted to take a look at a bunch of the new cars that I've managed to find over the last couple of weeks. So I know I haven't placed a video out for a bit. I've managed to come across a bunch of older cars at like a little, almost like a little flea market, if you will. Found this Porsche, I believe Porsche 911 Carrera. That is metallic blue with red flame livery. It's pretty much all the tampos that are on it. Big metal base, made in China. This one was from 2000. It's an old blue card. Looks like a card from the US, not a Canadian card, or an international card rather. And so that was a good find for me. This one here, Olds 442, again from 1999-2000. So that's an old one as well. Blue card series. Again, not an international card, so an American card. Again, that's not one I'm familiar with, so I don't recall how many liveries this came in, but this one's kind of cool. Burgundy paint, side livery with a 442 on it. Came across a couple of loose cars. So this one here, I'm not 100% sure where or what series. I think this was part of a truck series that came out a couple of years ago, maybe even not even that old. It's got the black cap, black windows, and you can't really see through the black window. With the metallic brown paint, liveries are kind of cool. Chrome plastic base. That's a lot of fun. That one there picked up at a trade or flea market type thing. Also picked up this Camaro. Camaro is Spectre Flame gold with the opening hood. It's an older casting. Black livery, black stripe on top and sides. I believe this is from a Classics series from 2006. It's got the Goodyear logos on the wheels, black interior, metal base, of course. That's a lot of fun. I like this car a lot. So I'm glad I decided to pick it up. A little bit of humming and hawing about whether or not I was actually going to get this car. But then in the end I did finally go back and get it. And then stopped in and got some new 10 packs. So this 10 pack I had to open up because it came with a Camaro, and I am a huge Camaro fan. I collect a lot of Camaros. I've got a separate box just chock full of Camaros. One day we'll open them all up and see what's in there. It's been a long time collecting. I'm not sure how many Camaros there will be in there. I do the same thing with Mustangs, Corvettes, that sort of thing in the main lines. And then in a 3-pack we came across this one. That's a lot of fun. Not too many of these around in terms of castings. They're maybe they've done I remember seeing it obviously in the air-cooled series with rubber wheels in the premium line in blue. This red version, a white version, a Magnus Walker version might have been, and an Urban Outlaw version in black and gray. Have all those somewhere. I'll dig them out one day. Also in that 10-pack, Bone Shaker. Not too exciting. I mean, Bone Shaker's been around a while. I collect them, so I thought I'd show you that. Cool color, cool flame. Not so much for the purple wheels, but what are you going to do? That's how it comes. That's how I'm going to show it. This one, I think, is a 10-pack exclusive. You're not going to see that on a blister card. And then also came across that one, and so I picked that up blistered in a shorty card, but also came in a 10-pack. So we'll show that on the turntable. That's pretty cool. I like that one a lot. And then along with that other shorty card, I managed to find some other ones. So this one is your Little Red Express truck, 1978 Dodge pickup. But this one's a little bit different than the ones I've been seeing. This one's actually got a matte black trunk liner or deck liner in the pickup bed, but also has black exhaust pipes on it. Usually you see this with gray exhaust pipes. Then we've got the 1969 Dodge Charger 500 new color variation. So I picked that up. New color variation in a Cobalt Camaro SS drag version. And new color variation in the 18 Camaro SS as well, the Brembo livery. So pick that up. New color variation on the Chevy Nova in the Golf series, or Golf livery. And then this one's obviously the same Mustang used in the Premium Line Golf series, which I never did get my hands on here in my area, but just with regular tires. I think plastic base. I think the Premium has the metal base, but very cool car. Excited about that one. Matchbox, very elusive lately. I don't know what's going on with Matchbox, but I have not been finding any new Matchbox in any Walmart stores around here or dollar stores or anywhere. But I did manage to find this one hanging on the peg, so I grabbed it. Datsun 2002 from 1969. It's obviously a brand new one from Matchbox. Tampos on the front, tampos on the back. Nicely done. I like the little wheels, they're sharp. Then I was tooling around in a box and found this. Now, I was kind of thinking that I hadn't seen this casting for a very, very long time. This one's from 2013. This 1970s Toyota Celica Hot Wheels City. So I wanted to pull that out and show it because I thought that was really cool. I wish we would see more of these. They got to bring this casting back because that is so cool. Love that. So I think that pretty much wraps up all the stuff that I have found in the last week or so. And so, like I said before, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm having a blast doing this and pulling out all my old cars and seeing what I've got. And I look forward to doing it again next week. Bye for now.